The machine learning life cycle is crucial for building efficient projects. It begins with understanding the problem, ensuring solutions are tailored effectively. This cycle involves 7 key steps, from data gathering to deployment, each vital for creating a robust model. Let's explore how these steps interconnect, starting with data gathering. Gathering data is crucial in the machine learning life cycle. We identify and collect data from diverse sources like databases and the internet. The quality and quantity of this data directly impact prediction accuracy. By integrating data from various sources, we form a coherent dataset, setting the foundation for subsequent steps. Data preparation is crucial for effective machine learning. It involves organizing and randomizing data, ensuring it's ready for analysis. Through data exploration, we understand data characteristics, identifying trends and outliers. Data preprocessing then refines this data, setting the stage for accurate and insightful analysis in subsequent steps. Data wrangling is crucial for transforming raw data into a usable format. It involves cleaning data by addressing missing values, duplicates, and noise, ensuring it's ready for analysis. This step is vital to maintain data quality, which directly impacts the effectiveness of subsequent analysis and model building. Data analysis is crucial for selecting techniques and building models. We determine the problem type and apply suitable machine learning algorithms, such as classification or regression. Evaluating model outcomes ensures we choose the best approach. This step sets the foundation for effective model training, where patterns and rules are identified to enhance performance. Training the model is crucial for enhancing its performance. We utilize datasets and algorithms to help the model identify patterns, understand features, and establish rules. This step ensures the model is well equipped to handle the complexities of the data, setting the stage for effective testing and deployment. Testing the model is crucial to ensure its accuracy and reliability. We use a test dataset to evaluate if the model meets project requirements. This step confirms the model's performance before deployment, ensuring it functions effectively in real-world scenarios. Deploying the model is crucial as it integrates the trained model into a real-world system. This step ensures the model meets accuracy and speed requirements, akin to finalizing a project report. Successful deployment confirms the model's readiness for practical application, marking the culmination of the machine learning lifecycle. The machine learning lifecycle is crucial for building efficient models. Each step, from data gathering to deployment, ensures the model's accuracy and relevance. Understanding and executing these steps effectively leads to successful machine learning projects. Thank you for your attention throughout this presentation.